Okay, it has been raining continuously for almost more than 24 hours. Right now, I guess the drainage somewhere stuck. So now we are having a mini flood. It's not to the knee level yet, but yeah, we are playing water in the middle of the road. The sky is very dark, cloudy. I guess you wouldn't call it cloudy. So let's see how it goes. That's our salon. That's our massage shop. It's closed. And then yeah, the water has not entered the shops yet, except when all these big trucks are driving too fast. They are creating a ripple effect. So I'm standing in the middle here to ask them to slow down. Yeah. The other side, the hotel, they have already sent back their basement parking. Yeah. So that's all for now. So right now I'm just curious. I walked to the end of the road, and this is the situation at the main big drain. Yeah, there's people actually preventing, putting sandbags, preventing water from overflowing right in. Right now, the water is leaving fast. If it continues to rain, this big drain will definitely overflow. We have already piled up sandbags along the way to prevent more water from spilling into the main road. It's still going to be raining for the next couple of hours, on and off, drizzling and raining, drizzling and raining. Yeah. Oops, water here. Alright, back to slow pace walking. The rain is getting heavier again.